What's up guys, welcome to another video. We are at the Ebass finals at Rhenosterkop Dam. Yeah, it's the last chance of getting a good spot, maybe some trophies. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Weather's lekker. I mean, it's 6:30 and it already feels like it's getting warm. I think it's going to be a hot day, clear skies, and hopefully good fishing. So yeah, catch the big ones. Fish on. Yes, the guy is freaking boxing you. Good start, good start. It's a very good start, John. Yeah, baby. Well done, brother. Hey, what a good start for the fish. He's pregnant. Yeah, I should be. Holy moly, this is a good fish. Where's your swing? Holy shit. Beautiful, now! Not as big as I thought. It's not. Hey! Jeez, like me. Well done, boy. Jesus, look how fucking broad she is. Yeah. Guys, you missed all that fight because it was at the back of the boat, but look at this. What a good fight. Come up. You're big. Zay, this is unbelievable. We're gonna have to get this fish ourselves, eh? Yeah. This is a good one as well.
Guys, look at it.
Hey?
Rhenosterkop.
Bag.
Need a net.
It's the smallest one of deck bits.
The keeper.
We got two of these. No, but it's bag, yeah. Where's those clips? Yeah.
Same time as you had a bite out of it. And as the flipping thing swam towards me, I couldn't strike.
It felt bigger.
This is a good fish, no?
Yes, it's direct.
Feels big. Oh no, not so big.
Hey?
Not so big.
Jeez, look, the way it pulls. Drag all
it's
over.
a decent size. It's a decent size.
Come to the front. Fight to the front here. That's a good fish. Good.
Yes! Whoa, baby!
between there. Day 2 of the Ebass finals here at Rhenosterkop Dam. Looking good for us. I didn't do a feedback after yesterday's one because I was so knackered. We got a 7.68 bag. I think we're sitting in the 3rd place. Top 5, let's say top 5 at the moment. So we're hoping we can find a decent bag today to help our bag even more and maybe take first place. You never know. Let's see how the day goes. Hope you enjoy this one. It's day 2. Here we go. Oh, what a tough day, guys. We have got off the water a little bit earlier. We only got 3 fish for day 2, so we tried everything. We went to the river, we went to main dam, we went to far right of the dam. We tried a whole lot of spots, a whole lot of baits, and we kept on getting undersized fish. So we caught a few fish, but all undersized. And then the 3 was just over 30 centimeters, the legal limit. So we only weighed in a 1.8 bag. So in total for 2 days, we're looking at 8, maybe a 9 kilo bag, which is not good. Some of the guys are catching 10s and 9s and stuff both days. So it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Prize giving is not today. It's next week, Sunday. So, but I'm sure on this video you will see the prize giving. So we'll cut to that. And then I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next video. Peace.
Please call up Team Young and Younger. Welcome, guys. And it came down to the last tournament. Couldn't have ended better.